Hi, welcome to our video series, Estate Planning Conversations, which we created in order to provide answers to commonly asked estate planning questions. I'm Emily Rome, and this is my husband, Eric Rome, who's a partner at Sage Law in Overland Park. I know you get this question all the time, but can't people just do their estate planning on their own with online companies like LegalZoom? Why would they need to involve an attorney?
Hi, everyone. Yeah, and this is a common question I get from friends, neighbors, and clients. And my biggest takeaway is that if somebody with an estate planning background were to go use a quality online service, they could probably produce a good estate plan. The problem is that somebody without this background is likely going to not fully understand all the options that are available and what the advantages and disadvantages to different options. And I've had, the missing link is the estate planner doing the analysis with them. And a few examples that I've had for clients, they had set up a plan in a completely different state because they had checked the wrong box. They had set up all kinds of complex trusts they didn't need. The property was going to people that they didn't intend it to go to in certain situations, or being held in trust for longer periods. And so there was all kinds of things that, as I pointed out to them, is this, what you wanted? They go, well, no, it isn't. And they were kind of surprised that they had selected that.
Okay, so how does working with an estate planning attorney like yourself differ from the online alternatives?
Well, my process is first just to collect the basic background information about their family and their finances. And then we get into just talking about high-level goals. Why are they wanting to do their estate planning? What concerns do they have? What are the family dynamics? And digging deep into some of those situations. And as we get through that, I developed options that I'd like to share with them, and I try to explain the advantages and disadvantages, and we arrive at an estate plan that works well for them. But I think the biggest component of that is having the background, but also being a good listener and picking up on body language when you ask certain questions, and doing the follow-up questions to really get to the point where they are sharing that information with you, and you can help them get a good result. And I'll just give one anecdote here. I have several colleagues that do estate and trust litigation, and they've mentioned about how these legal online service providers have created a lot of work for them because messes have been created, and now they have more work. And so if that doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what will.
Okay, well, I hope you find this information useful. And as always, please reach out with any questions you may have, or if you have any estate planning needs. Thanks.